Hello. Today we are going to zip up. Zip up means pulling the zipper up to close the jacket. Watch me. I will show you how to zip up. Hold, pull, uck. Hold the bottom. Hold the zipper. Pull up. Good zipping. You're doing a great job. Let's do it again. Hold, pull, up. Nice job. Keep up the good work. Ready? Hold tight. Pull up, up, up. Great work. You are zipping so well. Strong fingers. Hold bottom. Pull up. Super zipping. You are almost there. Last time. Hold. Pull up. Amazing. You zipped 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are learning to dress by yourself. High five. See you next time. Goodbye and keep practicing.